Guy Took My Ball by Mo Willems. A big guy took my ball! Gerald! I found a big ball and it was so fun. And then the big guy came and he took my ball! I am so upset. That is not good. That is not right. Big guy have all the fun. What about the little guys? What make those big guys and they are so big their size? Well, I am big too. I will get your big ball from the big guy. My hero. Here I go. Let's see how big this big guy is. Did you get my ball back? That is a big guy. You did not say how big he was. He is very big. He is bigger than I am. Much bigger. I'm smaller than he has. Much smaller. He is so big. Gerald, you didn't get ball back, did you? I did not. Excuse me? Thank you for finding my little ball. That is your ball? And you think it is little? Well, I am big. So big that no one will play with me. Little guys have all the fun. Big guy, would you like to play the whale ball with us? What is whale ball? We didn't know. We have not made it up yet. What the hell? We can all have big fun. The end.